more you think, the more you learn. And every time you learn, you challenge yourself. The moment you challenge, you tend to explore options.
Right.
And more explore, you create something and then go beyond that.
So finally, if I may ask both of you, sir, how would you capture Spectrum's journey in one line for the legacy created? And for you, Aniruddha, how would you describe the Spectrum of the future in one line?
To describe Spectrum, I would say you should read the tagline. I don't know if you have read it. It says very clearly what we stand for. Think, challenge, explore, create, and exceed. Because that is what an engineering consultant is. The more you think, the more you learn. And every time you learn, you challenge yourself. The moment you challenge, you tend to explore options.
Right.
And more explore, you create something and then go beyond that.
Very well said.
That's where Spectrum stands for.
Great.
And that's what I wanted to create. Go ahead.
Aniruddha, for you?
Taking forward as we see the future. So, to me, Spectrum of the future is a company where science, sustainability, and human intervention comes together to create lasting impacts.
Beautiful.
So we want to be there in the space wherein we add value to humanity, taking care of sustainability as a big goal in the process, and taking maximum utilization of the latest things in science.
Great. Is there anything, apart from everything that we discussed, is there anything that you would like to say to the viewers or consumers of this content that we are, or podcast that we are doing?
I think,
Advice, learnings.
as you rightly said, I have been here for 3 decades bringing up this company. And as I said in the beginning, I don't want this company to be known as Swaminathan's company. It has to stand on its own. It has to have a name. In fact, from this year, we are going to talk about Spectrum, not as Spectrum Pharmatech, but as Spectrum.
Beautiful.
Spectrum should learn by itself. Spectrum should stand by itself, because we are moving away. I'm not saying moving away from pharma. In addition to pharma, we are doing solar. So I don't want it to be known as
Pharmatech. Got it.
So we are moving towards that, and I'm already past my prime. I expect the next generation to take the legacy forward.
Great. Anything from you, Aniruddha? Anything that you would like to say? Or
Just to add, definitely the legacy will be carried forward, legacy of integrity, human first approach, or people first approach, that what we stand for. And we'll assure customers what the trust what they give us in the coming years, that should continue with the latest things what we do, the deployment of latest technologies and the features what coming in.
great. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
pleasure.
It was
It's
a
a pleasure
pleasure.
talking
It was
to you.
one of the best things or best episodes that we've done. I would say that. Thank you very much
Thanks.
for your time.